Okay, here is lesson 109 for Math 6-5, number 19. Some of you are just writing an answer down, and I just want to make sure you're understanding this. We have the problem with 5 minus parentheses, 2 3/5 minus 1 and parentheses. So always write it out. If it helps, draw a picture. So let's pretend I served lemon meringue pie for Easter. And we have 2 whole pies left and 3/5 of another because we didn't end up with as many people this year. All right, so let's say I have that 2 3/5 of my pie left. And Mr. Webster comes in and he eats one of those pies. That's that minus 1 whole pie. What am I left with? 1 3/5. So 2 3/5 minus 1 is 1 3/5. All right, so now we're going to look at that 5 minus 1 3/5. I'm going to rewrite my 5 again once I have my parenthesis answer. Let's look at our pies. I have 5 whole pies now. And I decide to give 4, well, let's just say, all right, 5 minus 1 3/5. I'm going to cut up my last pie because I need to give away 3/5 of it. So I'm going to cut out 3/5 of it. Okay, and I'm also going to cut off one of my pies. Give those away. Gave 1 pie away to the neighbors, and then Lily and Maddie ate 3 slices out of 5 slices. So what am I left with for pies? I have 1, 2, 3 whole pies left, and 2 slices out of 5 for that last pie that I cut up for you. So let's look at that as a number. We have 5, which can be written as 4 whole pies and 5 out of 5 slices for a 5th pie. Okay, that's what I started with. And I'm going to subtract 1 3/5. Now 4 minus one of those is 3, and 5/5 minus 3/5 is 2/5. So I had 5 pies, but I had to subtract out a whole one, and I had to cut the last one into 5ths so I could take that 3/5 out, and I am left with 3 2/5. So the 5 pies became 4 5/5 so that I could take some of those pieces away. Minus 1 3/5, I get 3 2/5. Hopefully this helps you. If you have any questions, let me know.